Okay, everybody, come on. Hurry up. We want to get this treehouse finished by, oh my God, there's something in my eye. Ow. Okay, it's out. But, we want to get this finished by the end of the week. So we need to hurry up. We don't want all the people people think that we lied to them. That would be really bad because then we wouldn't get a bunch of money.
Money. So we can get money for you. We just have to work hard. Let me talking.
Okay, you talk.
Let me talking.
I'll stay.
No.
Oh,
Let me talking.
you. Oh no, it's a big crush. Guys, keep walking. Hey, twin, why are you here?
No, yes. Talking. Everything was sitting in my head, so I'm gonna point you.
These guys are crazy. Ouch.
Stop.
Hey, look at the demolition derby here. So.
Oh, no, shit.
Okay. Yeah.
Now. This is a yardstick now.
You like Harry Potter's uncle. He's so clumsy. Does he even? Yeah.
Knock you up.
You can knock me with a stick.
Knock you off, Toy Freddy.
Oops. Oh my God! Why'd you wreck those poor people?
Maybe.
Huh? Eh?
What's up? I got this stick in my hand.
I don't know what's going on.
That's up, you fool.
Where are my presents? Why am I even working here? This is so boring. I'm just driving around in a tractor.
Ah!
I need to go back to my old job, giving like helping little kids presents. Puppy, come back to work. Goodbye, construction site.
Get out of here.
I'm gonna go to that playground over there. Yay.
What is sewage?
Why does my head hurt so bad?
Ah!
Oh my God, when you get here, Phantom Foxy, oh my God, where's everybody? It's a phantom. You're so phantom-y, which means you go this. Get out of the fourth. Stop breaking the fourth wall. Well, yeah, but that doesn't mean you have to break the fourth wall. Get out of here. You deserve to be run over with your fourth wall breaking.
Hey.
Stop breaking the fourth wall, Freddy. Why is everybody breaking the fourth wall?
Ah! Meanwhile, guys, get down to business.
I'm getting out of here. This place is just boring.
Well, I guess me and you have to
Come on, Puppet, let's go. Oh no, Puppet, don't fall down. We just got up. Okay, let's go down. Oh no, come on, now my cupcakes on.
Let me a cupcake! Mad!
Meanwhile, back at the construction site.
Here's my Mr. Cupcake. I'm right here, you sort. Not you. I hate Mr. Cupcake. I'm quit.
Okay, well, bye guys. Make sure you subscribe. And remember,
What's up?
soon is coming the amazing Bonnie Potter, the first movie.
What's up?
And the Sorcerer's Bonnie.
What's up?
Actually, I thought it was going to be
What's up?
the Sorcerer's
What's
plushie.
up?
The Sorcerer's plushie. Bonnie Potter and the Sorcerer's plushie. Watch out for that. And leave a like and make sure you subscribe if you like this video. We will turn on this video and we did a lot of editing. Stop holding the poop. Yeah, there's a gnome right there. So, yeah.
Shut up, gnome.
Hey!